this. You use 80 grit on that to get all the dirt off the deck. This is dug fir decking, so as what we want to do next step is for staining is just give it a nice generous coat like what you have. You can get in and around those. If you're not comfortable getting in and around there, you know, you can just kind of get as good as you can. This is an SRD, which is for decks. It's the same color as going on the logs, but I just don't want you getting, you know, getting this SRD onto the CTOL base. But as you can tell, give it a nice, get into those really porous areas that you have there. Get a nice generous coat. Now, as I was mentioning, once you get it all the way down through, get it worked in, just take your brush and just back brush it right in there, just like that. You get a nice uniform coat on, just like that. So, but you can tell, like, see how it's, you know, the decking is a little porous right there. Just want to make sure you work it in. And you don't want to dip your whole brush in, you know what I mean? Because then you got stuff slopping all over the place. So just like so. But if you work on both sides coming through, just meet the middle and just work your way out. So then you come on the outside and just hit those ends. Hit your butt ends on that. So main thing is just keep your brush where you don't have, you want to have about an inch of your, you know, brush all the way around. So because if you hand it up like that, it just runs down all over the place and just makes a mess. So anyway, don't get high off the stand.